skyscrapers, operations, families. All of these prosper from a strong foundation. Foundations constructed of stone and steel secure the tallest buildings in the world. Foundations built from honesty and integrity foster relationships that bind family ties. And foundations built on strong, reliable products develop productive operations that flourish. We rest safely at night, relying on the strength of our foundations. Over the years, the Vanguard Jaw Crusher family of products has solidified its position as the foundation for operations. Known for their strength, reliability, and longevity, KPI-JCI and Aztec Mobile Screen's Vanguard Jaw Crushers secure success for producers all over the world. As part of the Aztec Industries family, KPI-JCI and Aztec Mobile Screens is growing and prospering by designing, manufacturing, and selling the most innovative, productive, and reliable equipment. We are the foundation on which you can rely. KPI-JCI and Aztec Mobile Screens has spent the last century evolving its Jaw Crusher product line to now offer the new generation Vanguard Jaw Crusher. With years of industry knowledge and understanding, KPI-JCI and Aztec Mobile Screens has re-engineered a family of products that reduces producer downtime, increases energy and performance, and maximizes the Vanguard Jaw Crusher's longevity. Producers know downtime is dead time. KPI-JCI and Aztec Mobile Screens understands its producers and has perfected the Jaw Crusher design to streamline and minimize service and maintenance. The Vanguard Jaw features replaceable wear parts to protect producers' investment in their equipment. High wear areas of a machine that aren't properly protected can significantly reduce its lifespan. The replaceable jaw die seats and replaceable barrel protector plate are two enhancements that decrease producers' exposure to costs inflicted by the everyday wear and tear of normal use. The replaceable lower jaw die seats and the replaceable barrel protector plate add an extra layer of protection to the main crusher components. Some competitors do not offer replaceable wear parts in areas that are notorious for high wear. In addition to replaceable wear parts, the Vanguard Jaw Crusher has evolved to provide similar maintenance with its jaw die wedges. In the original legendary Jaw Crusher, producers removed the key and heel plates to replace the jaw die. In the newly designed Vanguard Jaw Crusher, jaw die retention wedges hold the jaw die in place, providing easy access to the jaw die and efficient removal and replacement. In addition, the new design contains lifting holes on all Vanguard jaw dies, so lifting lugs are no longer required to be welded. All of these advancements yield less downtime between jaw die replacement and other maintenance intervals. The key and heel plates in the legendary Jaw Crusher have been replaced with the 3 horizontal liner design in the Vanguard Jaw Crusher. This new design provides more commonality across models, allowing dealers to stock fewer parts. Because the 3 horizontal liners are reversible, the wear component life is extended. One of the more significant changes of the Vanguard Jaw Crusher is the elimination of the manual shim adjustment method to change the crusher's closed side setting. Unlike competitors who still use traditional shim plates to adjust the closed side setting, the Vanguard Jaw utilizes hydraulic cylinders. The new design employs a hydraulic dual wedge system, which provides quick and easy discharge settings while enhancing operator safety. Adding this convenience for producers allows them to be more successful in their operation by reducing downtime. With increased stroke, toggle angle, and flywheel inertia, the new Vanguard Jaw Crusher provides increased energy and performance technology that is unmatched in the industry. The 5 largest Vanguard Jaw Crushers crush with a 1.5-inch stroke. Competitors claim they have a large, effective stroke, and yet the vast majority still uses a 1 1/4-inch stroke. The larger stroke opens up wider and compresses the material more, allowing the aggregate to get crushed and through the jaw faster. faster throughput equals more capacity. The Vanguard Jaw 3055 and 3144 are the only jaw crushers in their class with a 1.5-inch stroke. The toggle plate angle dictates the movement of the bottom of the pitman. The steeper the angle, the stronger the crushing force. The Vanguard Jaw Crusher's aggressive toggle plate angle gives more movement to the bottom of the pitman, resulting in more crushing per stroke. The Vanguard Jaw Crusher's flywheel inertia allows the crusher to function while reducing energy input. By using large dynamically balanced flywheels, peak horsepower requirements are reduced, yielding greater efficiencies and fewer fuel costs. With the increased energy and performance, producers can expect the Vanguard Jaw Crusher to deliver up to 25% more tons per hour than comparable jaw crushers. KPI-JCI and Aztec Mobile Screens believes a strong foundation is the key to an operation's success, and that the success of an operation is based on the longevity of the equipment. The Vanguard Jaw Crusher's common FLINGER collar, stress-relieved base frame, and machine saddle work together to increase the lifespan of the machine. The Vanguard Jaw Crusher uses the common FLINGER collar between the saddle block bearing and the pitman bearing. Using the same collar allows the bearings to be located closer together, greatly reducing the shaft deflection and therefore the bending stresses due to the rotation of an eccentric shaft. Because the stresses are reduced, the Vanguard Jaw Crusher is able to use a smaller eccentric shaft than competitors without sacrificing bearing life. The smaller eccentric shaft of the Vanguard Jaw Crusher is a superior design over competitive models, which are unable to control shaft deflection, causing them to resort to a bigger shaft and bearings. The machined saddle supports the pitman assembly perfectly. The outer bearings are bolted into the saddle, ensuring perfect bearing and shaft alignment for maximum service life. This design also allows for easy removal of the pitman assembly, should it become necessary for maintenance. The heavy-duty all-welded stress-relief base frame is manufactured at KPI-JCI and Aztec Mobile Screens' U.S.-based manufacturing facility. Unlike competitive models which offer modular non-welded frame construction from foreign manufacturers, KPI-JCI and Aztec Mobile Screens' stress-relieved base frame is designed to regain its original strength properties and ensure fatigue failures are prevented during operation. Just as the Vanguard Jaw Crusher has evolved, so has KPI-JCI and Aztec Mobile Screens' presence in emerging markets. Track and wheel configurations on the new generation Vanguard Jaw Crusher allow producers to function efficiently and economically in tighter job sites to process new alternative materials like recycled aggregate and slag. This flexibility allows producers and dealers to penetrate any market. Producers know that optimum output starts at the beginning of the operation, making jaw crushers the most essential piece of equipment. Since 1928, KPI-JCI and Aztec Mobile Screens has been building the world's strongest and most reliable jaw crushers. Let the foundation of our business be the foundation of yours.